Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable pressure eraser on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen. Click to the second icon, the settings, and in the function settings you can find the pressure eraser option under the finger writing. And if you want to turn on this function, click to the next white circle, and you can adjust the sensitivity of the eraser. Click to the circle and just pull on the line, and you can use this function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.